Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday. This week I'm doing one more Valentine's look before Valentine's Day tomorrow. And for today I'm doing a shiny pink heart with a black matte background. So to start this look off, I'm going to take Mega Jam from Mission Control by Young Nails, and taking my Uber Chic cleanup brush, I'm going to apply that to the full nail, and I did just do one coat, and then I'm doing a 30-second cure on that. And then taking my blush Sparkle from Elegance, I'm going to apply this onto the nail like I would with any other chrome powder, and that's going to give me a nice chrome look for my heart. And then I'm going to take my swirly brush from Elegance in the Selena Ride and Art Brush set, and I'm going to take Overdrive from Mission Control again and draw a heart on the nail. Now you can cure this first, or even if you like, you can put down a layer of top coat over top of your chrome so that you don't mess anything up, or if you're confident with your skills, you can go right ahead and draw right onto it. And then with the heart, you can cure it if you'd like, but I like to leave it uncured and fill everything in with my block brush first. And then that way I can make any little adjustments to the heart if I see fit. And then I am gonna give that a full cure, so that's 60 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV. And then I'm going to put matte over the entire nail and give it a full cure as well. And I just do a 2-minute cure regardless of the kind of light on my matte. And then I'm going to take my super shiny and my shorty brush, and I'm just going to color in the heart, and that will make just the heart shiny. It kind of almost gives it a little bit of a 3D look too, since that shiny top coat is a little bit higher than the matte, and I think that looks really nice. But there it is, a super easy and quick way to make a heart with a background that's matte with a shiny heart. As always, just finishing that off with a quick wipe, and there is your finished look. So another really quick and easy tutorial for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you like and share this video if you did, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, questions and comments in the section below, and don't forget that you can also follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook.